Hello to everyone. So today I will show you our new platform, and I just opened it today and it looks very nice. So this is our website for i8worldwide.com. So as you see, the menu is not showing up. So there's another link for you to log in to your back office or member site. So it's supposed to be https members.i8system.com. I'll put the link below this video so you can just click it and log into it. So anyway, we will try to log in now. Nice. So here, this is your dashboard. I like the interface, it's so nice. So this is your main dashboard, and it's totally different from the first one. Anyway, so you have e-loading business here, my network, transaction, others. So my i8 store, i8 shopping, prepaid load, and airline and hotel reservations. So the dashboard is here in the middle. In my network, your accounts, downlines, account pairing, activation code, and genealogy, and binary and unilevel. So if you want to see your members, you click genealogy and binary. So it will show you all the members in your site, and this is really nice. You can zoom it and zoom out. You can also drag it with your mouse. It's really nice. Or you can use there are 4 arrows. You can use this arrow to toggle along. Or you can use this zoom out and zoom in button here above. So anyway, this is these are my members. To see your transaction, we go to earning and withdrawals, and I have 7 heads, and here on the first head you will see the earnings here, and if you go down to the second one, you will see your earnings here and here and here, and so forth and so on until you go to the last one. You can also download all your details here, and I never tried to withdraw, but let us try just for the sake of this video. So if you want to encash, you put the amount here, and You just click BDO, BPI deposit, cash, and checks here. And special message to the accounting. So anyway, I'm not trying to withdraw right now. I'm just showing you how to do it. Account pairing. Let me see what account pairing is. It doesn't show anything yet. Well, anyway, let's go back again. Activation code. So if you have a pending activation code, you can find it here. So if you want to encode new members, just find the open spot like here in your genealogy. So it's so easy, like for example here, and if I wanted to encode a new member, always just go here and then I'll press encode. And there you go. It's automatic. You just put your activation code, the name, and everything here. And then just press register. And it will automatically be encoded. So it's really nice, you know. The problem is sometimes the website is so slow and we cannot open here. Actually, I'm in Japan. And I've waited 2 months to open this site. And I still have a lot of pending members that I need to encode. And I did not encode it before because it's not yet ready. But now I think this is more stable than before. And it looks nicer. And I really love the interface. So nice and beautiful and so organized. And really nice, you know, if you have a lot of members, so it's so easy to go and like this one. There it goes. So it's so easy for you to see all your genealogy and the people under you. Kasi, you see how big? Really nice. I really like it. So there you go, guys. It's really nice. So thank you to our admin. This is a good job. Very, very nice. What is this? So guys, thank you very much for viewing. I just wanted to share you the new platform and it's really nice. So anyway, for those who are interested to join i8, you can contact me at my Facebook page, Daisy C. Hirata po. And just send me a message and I will give you all the details how to become a member of i8. This is a real nice platform and I'm so proud that they have really did a good job. And thank you very much. So, join na po kayo and good job. Sali na kayo sa i8. Ito po, baguhan ng buhay. Salamat po sa inyo, sa inyong panonood. At sana po, malapit na ang Pasko. So, sama-sama tayo sa pag-unlad. Thank you guys and more power. God bless.